Dots and Boxes is a two-player game played with a pen and paper. The aim of the game is to capture more boxes than your opponent by drawing lines on a grid. To set the game up, draw a grid of dots that is at least 4 dots long and 4 dots wide, although you can make the grid bigger if you'd like to make the game last longer. To play, each player takes turns drawing a single line between 2 dots on the grid, either horizontally or vertically. You cannot draw lines diagonally. Whenever a player completes the 4th side of a square and encloses it, that player scores 1 point and colors the box in or writes their initials inside of it to mark it off as their box. If more than one box is created by a single line, that player scores 1 point for each box that they created. After a point has been scored, the scoring player draws another line, and their turn only ends when they can't finish off a box. Once every line on the grid has been drawn, both players count the number of boxes that they scored to calculate their points. The winning player is the one with the most boxes.